in today's video you're actually going to learn how to make a sequins headpiece. Stay tuned. Let's get started, family. So with this project, what we're actually going to need is to get our needle, you get our fishing wire, and the headpiece you're actually going to work around. Okay, so those are the necessary things that we would actually need to make this a success. You'd also need your sequins, or if you have beads, you can actually use your beads to make these. It just follows the same pattern and everything is completely the same, just that the sizes and the shapes that differs. Okay, so with this, I actually started as where the brand tag was. Pull it through with a needle. Yes, please, when working with this, please make sure you get a thread or you get a length that you can actually control, or else if the thread starts to control you, you're gonna cry, and I don't want that to happen. So please get a length you can control. Okay, so you pull it into your headpiece just like the way how I did it. Okay, you pull it into it, you pick your sequins, it has a hole in it, you pull it into it, pull it through it. I'm repeating the same process again. Okay, so you pick your sequin. Okay, so after you're done picking your sequins, and then you'll actually attach it to your headpiece like that. Okay, so you go through it like that, you pull it through the headpiece. It's a bit foamy, so you can actually understand that it's super extra foamy, so you can actually put the needle through it super easily, just like what you can see me doing here. So basically that is how it actually went down and everything. So I hope you're understanding the process and everything. You pick your sequins. This sequins has holes in it. Okay, it has the spaces where you can actually use your needle to pick it up and then attach it to it. Okay, so you can actually attach it, get a needle through it, and then you pass it through the headpiece. It's very foamy, so the needle can actually pass it through it in a very peaceful and a conducive way where you can't hurt yourself. Okay, so basically that is how it is going down with it. If you're having problems of making it even when making it, just don't worry, give yourself a break. You can actually go back to fill the uneven spaces that are being left in it. Okay, you can actually go through the uneven spaces and then fill those uneven spaces up the way how you want it. But I always say that with crafts, it actually depends on you, the individual, and how you want your craft to be like. Okay, so everything depends on you, the individual, and how you would want it to be like. It is just you making a statement with your project or your piece. Okay, so there is no right or no wrong when it comes to making crafts. Okay, so you just make sure you pick it up with a needle and then you pass it through the headpiece. The headpiece has foam in it. I'm repeating it again, so it's super extra easy to actually go through it when you're making it. Okay, so I hope you're having a wonderful, you're enjoying this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that if anything as being uploaded on this channel, you would be notified and be part of the first or two people to actually watch it when it's being premiered or being uploaded. Okay, so I'm waiting for your comments and your suggestions. Everything I humbly welcome. You can leave them in the comment below. So basically this is how the whole process is going about. Okay, yes, so you pick up with a needle, you pass it through your headpiece, and you're absolutely good to go with that. Okay, so this is how it's going. I hope you stay back and enjoy this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and then share with your family and friends so that you can also try and acquire skills one way or the other. Okay, share with your loved ones, share with your friends and family. I would be super excited about that. So I hope you're having a nice video. I hope you're having a nice day. Just stay tuned and enjoy. Leave all your comments below. Okay, so you can actually see I picked the sequence and I pass it through the headpiece. The headpiece is super extra soft because it has this foam in it, so it makes it easier when working around it. So I hope you understand how the whole process is going. If you have any comments or any question, please leave it in the comment section. I would be super extra excited to reply you. Yes, I'll be leaving my details too at the description, my Instagram handle, my Facebook account, and all my social media platforms, so you can also connect with me on any of those social media platforms. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please stay tuned and enjoy. XOXO kisses. So with mine, at this moment, this is actually how I made mine. It actually was halfway through. I wasn't completely done, but when you use the same techniques, the same patterns and everything that you use to start it to complete it, is gonna look extremely nice. So this is how it actually looked at the halfway through. I hope you enjoyed this video.